Majority of our team came from you guys. Thank you so much, CECE. There's no way that we would be where we're at without you.
So I've known CECE for about 4 or 5 years, and she's always been so sweet, so responsive, and so helpful. And she's always there for you for anything that you need when it comes to technology and helping you grow your business.
CECE was referred to me by Dana. And
oh my God.
a virtual assistant a few years ago, and she helped me clean my database, helped me get even more productive so I can focus on clients and my leads. She's amazing with marketing. She's amazing with technology, with our CRM.
And it's been like 3 years, so it's been an amazing blessing to our business.
For over 50 deals that we've done, JTVA has been behind it, supporting the lead generation behind the scenes.
I do want to say you've been doing great, Kat, and I've been really impressed. Definitely one of the best VAs I've seen.
Absolutely, and that's why I want to, I want to make sure I stick with you guys for the long run, because not only do you provide the services, but you also educate. You guys are set apart from the competition.
I'm trying to hide you guys as my secret weapon.
I've gone through so many VAs and I've gone through so many. You have a great structure, a great foundation.
Hi, my name is Joe Benuhenio. I'm a real estate investor based here in Houston, Texas. So I've been doing this for a few years now. Started out as a realtor and then transitioned into wholesaling.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Green. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia market. I'm a buy and hold investor. I also do some wholesaling.
Hi, my name is Marlena Baldonado. I'm a real estate agent in Long Beach, California at Coldwell Banker Coastal Alliance.
Hey everyone, my name's Betty Boyron and I am the owner of mombright.com.
My name's Elliot. I live here in Oklahoma City. I run a local wholesaling company.
My name is Esmeralda Gomez and I am with Keller Williams Coastal Properties. I am a top producing agent.
Hello, my name is Alex Motoresi. I am one of the owners of Integrity Property Acquisitions LLC. We primarily focus on the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area.
Hey guys, it's Hannah, the CEO of KindskipTracing.com.
Hello, my name is Asil and I run a real estate company based out of Indianapolis.
And they got me set up with REI Reply with all the workflows and different things that I wanted. They did an amazing job.
I was blown away immediately by her communication, her responsiveness, and just all-around knowledge of the tasks and projects that I needed her to complete.
So I really recommend CECE to anybody who feel like they're getting pulled in every direction trying to maintain their business.
I couldn't ask for somebody better. She comes up with ideas that I myself would not have come up with. She's super qualified.
She's just great. She's helped my business go to the next level.
The whole company go above and beyond for us and providing the best experience possible. We got the best results. The value is impeccable and we really recommend her.
Basically, I like the service you gave me, especially with Lewis. It's just the market at that time wasn't good enough for me.
I never had to worry about anything not getting done or them not showing up or work not being completed. Communication was effortless.
Working with JTVA has definitely helped our team do more deals.
A success. We've closed about 5 or 6 deals so far, and we have a few more on the books.
I'm so happy with the results that I've since, stopped some of the other marketing campaigns. We're getting results here, so why spend the money on other areas where we're not really getting results?
I guess I just wanted to understand, ever since you started with us so far, what has improved in your, what you're doing, or has our service helped you somehow achieve your goals, for this year?
I would say I've closed more deals in the latter part of the year. Well, since I kind of switched over to you guys, because I've went through maybe 5 virtual assistants this year, 5, maybe 6. I ended up losing a ton of money. And honestly, I wasn't going to do anything else. So I would say that you guys kind of helped me with getting out of my CRM, because that's not fun for me. I don't like doing that. I don't mind setting up the automations, but it's too time consuming for me. I'd rather do something else. So you guys have helped with that. I would probably say the other piece of it is you streamlined my lead process a lot better. So I can kind of just go in and see, okay, I need to talk to this person, this person, this person. Don't worry about nobody else.
I mean, overall, I'm definitely happy, which is why I refer people to you guys, you know. So if I wasn't happy, I wouldn't be referring people to you guys.
I highly suggest them. It was definitely worth every penny.
Highly recommended. CECE is
This is like
getting queen.
Yeah, she's a great leader. She has a phenomenal team. She's a rock star.
Just thank you to CECE and JTVA for your team. You guys are true professionals and really do the due diligence and the little work that makes a big difference.
Last thing I'm gonna say, if you're thinking about going and hiring CECE or a team to improve your business, stop thinking, pull the trigger. It's the best decision of your life. REI Reply and CECE are 100% connected. We're like this. She's gonna do a great job for you.
Or if you're on the fence about working with JTVA and their team, getting their services to support your business, don't think twice.
If you get the chance, if you get the opportunity to be able to hire her and her team, then I highly encourage you to do it because you won't be disappointed.